I'm Doug. This is my wife, Melanie, and we're from North Georgia, from Blue Ridge area. We first heard about the school. Actually, it was Todd's Tech Tip Tuesday on YouTube. We got our RV and looked at it as like an alien spaceship. Had no idea and started looking through YouTube. We finally stumbled upon Todd's, and that made the most sense to us. So we started looking more into it and came across NRVTA. Decided, hey, this is something that we want to look at. We want to do this. We want to see what it's about. Our experience here has been nothing short of amazing. I mean, it's been the greatest experience.
And the amount of hands-on you get here is key for me. My way of learning, it's key.
I'm like her, you know, I'm not a book guy. You know, I want to get my hands on stuff and play with it.
We came here with nothing, no knowledge of RVs, working on anything. And we feel now that we can leave here and
very confident.
Make a living.
Mm-hmm. So in the future, what we're hoping to do is go back to the North Georgia area where we're from and open up a shop, a mobile RV shop, you know, with, you know, tech, inspection, solar installs, generator repairs. Everything we're learning here.
We now have the confidence that, okay, we can do this. We can do this, and we can do it together as a team.
My advice to anybody who's kind of, I guess, hemming and hawing or whatever, just take the jump, take the leap.
Do it. Do
it, because it is definitely worth it. Just the amount of knowledge that you're going to walk away from here with is, I can't tell you how valuable it's going to be, how much you're going to learn here.